Chief Minister Nongtungmam Biren inaugurates staff quarter of Yaripok Yambem Primary Health Center and Top Jingtha Undergraduate Girls Hostel. Titular King Lashemba Sanajauba asserts Manipuri culture is a composite culture and not entirely Meitei culture. Combined team seizes contraband drugs worth around 28 crore rupees in international market at Paicham Bank, More Ward number 3. And Kanglek Park Calendar Board says Ningol Choco Bar should be celebrated on second day of Yangai as per Manipuri lunar calendar, which falls on October 29 this year. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joy Srivusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongtungmam Biren inaugurated staff quarter of Primary Health Center at Yaripok Yambem in Imphal East and undergraduate girls hostel at Top Jingtha, constructed by Department of Minority Affairs, Government of Manipur today. Speaking at the inaugural event held at Top Jingtha, Chief Minister Nongtungmam Biren stated that climate change is a serious global issue which can even lead to famine. He asserted that the state government has started carrying out mass tree plantation drives under Green Manipur mission to combat the climate change. Lauding the BJP-led government, Biren stated that the state government has provided benefits under Larik Yengminashi mission to over 8,000 students. He asserted that law and order situation of the state has greatly improved with the advent of BJP-led state government, leading to increased tourists in the state, boosting the state's economy. Biren assured that Tulihal SDC office, which is currently at Porompat, will be shifted to Yaripok in the near future.
Isa thokibada ai pureba thokibada hanjal lagan hanjal oira khangdabi ai gi isan nupi thokibada kari thongbada ge ima thokibada kari thongbada ge ningnik launa lainera society do ngasi sahi ani makai sida fagrabani lebrabani ana makhata na lemhauriba punsi gi mirol mayam se masi sumaina ngasi gi sahi ani makai sumaina ingna lainana ba ai sumayam na apil domingi ai khoi ga wakhalon manaba Prajagi Seva Tamimba, Laivan Niana, Hen Luna Loba, Igi Sagi Kana Badagi, Adugumba leader Pio, I Manipur Prajabu, Nine intended Hange, I was saying, Mr.
Speaking on the occasion, Forest and Environment Minister Thaunawjam Shyamkumar stated that brand ambassador of Green Manipur Mission Ilangbam Valentina could not take part in yesterday's tree plantation drive due to family reasons. He also stated that the state government will try its best not to distract her from studies. Shyamkumar asserted that education and health sectors of Andhra constituency have improved immensely under BJP-led state government. Chief Minister Nongtungmam Biren led the people, including Asia's famed DJ Soda and brand ambassador of Green Manipur Mission, Ilangbam Valentina, in planting various tree saplings at the shrine of Nongpok Ningtho and Ima Panthoibi at Top Jingtha on the occasion.
Prime Minister ke pandamdi, onama chief se pandamdi. Malay mama sema kanta, ndama sawa panda. Nupi hir chalai hai kaba yade. Moina lamdam ase santi progador bane ima iman में थोड़ा ज़्यादा याद है जगह सीधी अदुकी पंदन मखादा उन प्राइम मिनिस्टर की पंदन मखादा उन मिनिस्टर मिनिस्टर एन बिरंगे मखादा नसीदी अंदर गुजर गाइडलाइंस में मुझे संगात न कोई लिपि सिंह है ना एजुकेशन इम्पार्ट एजुकेशन किया रखा अंदर लंदन में सफर नहीं पंदन में संगात में मैं आपको सपोर्ट तो भी कॉपरेशन भी अपील तो
Titular King Lashemba Sanajauba has asserted that Manipuri culture is a composite culture made up of cultures of various indigenous communities of the state and not just the Meitei community. He was speaking at the 10th state-level Children's Cultural Meet 2019 held at the auditorium of Tribal Research Institute TRI in Chingmerong today. Manipur Alliance for Child Rights organized the event in collaboration with Child Rights NU, CRY, Kolkata on the theme Break the Silence, violence and child sexual abuse. Let's make a child-friendly Manipur. Maidingo Laishamba Sanajauba also presented Child Rights Award to 4 persons working in different fields. The awardees are Additional Superintendent of Police, Narcotics and Affairs of Border NAB, Thaunaujam Brinda, Chairperson of Child Welfare Committee, Imphal West, Tiam Rajkishore, Zonal Education Officer of Thoubal Zone 3, Arambam Anil Kumar, and Editor of Imphal Times Daily, Rinku Kumukcham. The titular king maintained that only youth can solve various issues facing the state. Hence, they should be instilled with a sense of unity, integrity, and patriotism. Cultural performances by children of various communities from across the state highlighted the event.
Mamang the Satkiba, Mirol Sing Satkrasum, the Lehoriba, Laiba, Pikliba Ngang Sing Nakoidi, Yamna, a sense of nationalism, a sense of belongingness, a sense of integration, Maset, Nakoi Hochitaki Hona, Tongan Bakang Purta, belong Toriba, Yauriba, community singing, Angang Sing Sas, Nakoida Masela Henning. Masi Mamangi Mirol Sing a Wat Cree. Manipur di poga sing do obayai tam do obayai anak pa do obayai ara pa do obayai India gi wena su masak na ba su ba lok tak se su udana sikiba singi ahalaman mayam ama yaugri asumaina tampak ta leri ba angang mayam amusu siroi lili udaba mayam yaulong hini pikraba lewak sidani ko.
A combined team of 43 Assam Rifles and Moreh Police, including women personnel, seized various contraband drugs worth around 28 crore rupees in the international market at Moreh town today. According to Impact News sources, the drugs were seized from one 47-year-old Hahat Haukip, wife of Myanmar's Kamnik Haukip, currently residing at Moreh Wards number 3, Paijam Vang in Moreh town. Acting on a tip-off, the combined team raided Hahat's residence and recovered 5,04,000 world's used tablets, 15 kilogram and 269 grams of crystal methamphetamine, 2 kilograms, 206 grams of ketamine powder, and 194 bottles of fancy dal, which were hidden at various places of the house, including bedroom, inside the wooden walls, and on rooftops. Police arrested Hahat on the spot. Upon questioning, she revealed that the drugs belonged to 2 ladies named Matazin and Kamkohat from Tamu town of Myanmar. The team handed over Hahat and the seized items to Moreh police station for further legal actions. Kangleipak Calendar Board KPCB has appeals to people of the state to celebrate Ningol Choco Bar festival on October 29, the second day of Hayangay as per Manipuri lunar calendar. Speaking to media at Southeast Asia Cultural Organization SICO office in Sagolban, Moirang Lerak today, KPCB Vice President Moirang Them Surjit asserted that the original Ningol Choco Bar falls on October 29 and not on October 30 as published on DIPR calendar.
Hayangay nini pamba habsi Ningol Choco Bar haina adum parampara dagi akhoi adum leirabani haribasi numit asigi kaino ki pung ayuki pung taruk minute 3 second ani dagidi akhoi Hayangay nini pale palabani na masi Choco Bar tare mamadu loibasu khoi scientific state da ahingi pung 3 minute 93 second kuntram panda adu bok dani aduna nongai ringeda lore aduna tang kuntra da akhoi tang kuntra yumsa kesen me October dai adu pan badudi chumde aduna khoi gi thabanai basidi pung de chali chahim da ong thokpa Ningol Choco Bar basi khoi ki maroi basi dai da tang kuma panda matam chana Ningol Choco mabung mapa maya bunadana mai gi mapam lamdam lakose machida chumi haidana khoina wafam si Kangleipak Calendar Board gi thamjari.